Hey lovelies, Madam Sophy here again to do another wig review. This time I'm going to be doing a wig review from the Sensationnel Empress Lace Wig Collection. I'm going to be doing the wig, I'm going to be reviewing the wig Kristen in the color T1B/613. I love the color blonde. I love rocking the color blonde every now and then, so I will be trying this unit today. If you'd like to see how this unit turns out, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophy channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell down below to be part of the Sophia's Mix. And you gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, guys, so let's jump right into the wig review. So this is the wig straight out of the packet. This is the stock card it came with. As you guys can see, the name of this wig is called Kristen in the color T1B/613. Basically, this hair color combination consists of a dark root in the color 1B, and then you have the blonde strands that follow it, which is the 613 color. All right, this wig is definitely heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. According to the stock card, it says that it has a hand-tied lace. Sorry, it has a hand-tied lace part with a deep curve for a natural appearance, I believe. This wig's supposed to have a natural appearance because of the curve parting area. It has 100% premium fiber, and I bought it at a very affordable price during Black Friday sale on Sam's Beauty. I cannot remember exactly how much I paid for this wig. It is synthetic, 100 synthetic wig. It's just heat safe. And I will be leaving the link on where you could purchase this item in the description section. So let's jump right into business. So according to this wig, so far I can tell you that this wig is made of Swiss lace, because the lace in this wig is very, very soft. It has this very soft silky lace, and it seems to have plenty of combs, guys, plenty of combs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, guys, so you have 4 combs in this wig. I believe they put 3 combs in the front. So this is one over here, this is one over here, and this is one over here. I believe that they put 3 combs in this unit simply because of the curved lace part. And according to the stock card, you could also, if you don't want to use the lace parting area in the way, you could always cut through the lace and kind of blend in your natural hair. So I think they deliberately put 3 combs in the front to kind of support that. And in the back, you're gonna have 1 comb. You also do have your adjustable straps in this unit. So let me take off this stock card and I'm going to pop this unit on.
Then you have
Okay, lovely, so this is how Kristen looks on in the color T1B613. I am really loving this color. I think this color goes very well with my eyeshadow look. The hair texture in this wig is really soft. I had no problem taking my paddle brush and brushing it through the hair. The only issue I have with this wig is the way the what you call that, the bump in the front, the way the flip lays on my head. I don't really like it. I kind of had to like play with it a little bit until I could like really like it. So that was the only issue I had. Um, Apart from that, the hair texture is really good in this wig. I had no problem passing my brush through it. I did not get any tangling, but then again, it's a synthetic wig, guys. It is going to tangle, especially the whole fact that it's this length. It is going to tangle. Okay, there's no question about that. So definitely, this wig is indeed Sophy approved. I really like this wig. I will probably get it in a different color, but not this color. This color looks really well. It goes very well with my look, but then again, I don't think I would be comfortable rocking this color every day. It would probably look better in the color 2 or number 1 or number 1B, if you want to use it for every day. But if you're a blondie lover, then surely go ahead for it. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. I really like that liked Miss Kristen in the color T1B 30. Sorry, T1B/613. If you'd like to get more information on where you could purchase this wig, the information is going to be in the description box. I didn't get any tangling. Yes, there was shedding, but I believe the shedding was as a result of me cutting the lace. And I think in certain areas of cutting the lace, I went a little too close to the hairline. It does have baby hairs. You get 4 combs plus your adjustable straps. Yes, it is indeed Sophy approved. Again, thank you for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, thank you for tuning in and welcome, honey. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. You gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix because you are a sophisticated lady. Yes, you are indeed. Don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be fabulous. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.